Hey everyone, it's Dustin from Voice and Spy, and in this video, I am going to be starting a new series called Rebuilding Jupiter. Now, if you don't know what Jupiter is my gaming computer that I built a couple months ago. It's just a nickname that I have for it for some reason. But unfortunately, my laptop has just died, so I'm going to make my gaming computer more portable so I can take it with me instead of my laptop. So I'm pretty excited for that. But anyway, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the first part that I got for it. Also, before I show it to you guys, I want to apologize for me not having my tripod. It's at my stepdad's place right now, and I'm at home just because I was waiting for my parts to come in. Anyway, without further ado, here we go. So here it is. It's the EVGA 600BR. This is my power supply. My current power supply, which was the original one that was in the Alienware case that I have for it, it is 1,000 watts currently. So this is kind of a downgrade, and the reason I had to get a like a newer one, I guess, is because that one is probably going to be way too big to fit in my new case, which is a Fantex Eclipse P300 or something like that. It's going to be a white case. I'm really excited for it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the review. So up here we have some EVGA branding, along with the 600BR branding. 600 being the wattage of the power supply, and BR standing for bronze. Down here we have a couple words that say 600 watt bronze power supply with an 80 plus bronze kind of branding logo thing there. This side we have the EVGA logo. At the back we have some features of the power supply. So it says back here, an ultra quiet 120 millimeter fan, provides 50 amps of power or 600 watts on a 12 volt rail, blah blah blah. A bunch of other stuff that I don't understand. Oh, 3-year warranty, that's awesome. Anyway, on this side we have 80 plus efficiency. I'm not really sure what this graph is, but it says input of 230 volts AC and another input of 115 volts AC. I'm assuming that's the different voltages that different countries have. Like I know Europe is on 240 volts and we're on 120 volts. So yeah, I guess they're just rounding it down to like 230 and 115. I'm not really sure. But anyway, there's a graph, I guess, showing the efficiency of it. Not really going to get into detail of that. Then over here it says EVGA bronze rated power supplies bring 85% efficiency under typical loads. Our bronze rated power supply, oh my god, I can't read. Our bronze rated power supplies provide clean, efficient power. And then down here we just have a bunch of contact info and a bunch of copyright stuff, as well as the EVGA logo and the EVGA.com website, I guess. Up here we have a serial number and stuff, and a whatever, I don't care. A serial number, stuff like that, whatever. And the EVGA logo again. Then, hold on, I'm just gonna unfold my knife if I can. Hold on a sec, guys. Like I said, I don't have my tripod with me, so that's kind of unfortunate. So we're just gonna open it up just to take a look at it. All right. So, should just lift up, maybe. I'm not really sure. Oh no, it's one of those ones, I think that like they have a piece of cardboard or whatever going in there. So this is gonna be kind of hard. Oh, there we go. There we go. And we're just gonna lift the box top up. So obviously we have the power supply in there with a bunch of SATA cables, well, SATA power cables and stuff like that. We also have this power cord that it comes with, because obviously you need that. I don't really need one of these because I have like a shit ton of these in my basement, so whatever. Anyway, we're gonna put that off to the side. We also have, what else do we have in here? I apologize about the lighting too and the focus of my phone, because apparently it's not focusing. There we go. We also have this instruction booklet, I guess. I'm not really sure what's in here. Maybe it's like legal stuff or something. Okay, well apparently they shipped me a German instructions, unless that's just on the one page. There's French. Do they not have English in here? Oh, it folds out like this. Okay. Cable configuration. Yeah, well, apparently they don't have the English. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we have some safety information, introduction, features, blah, 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 whatever. Just how to connect it to the motherboard and stuff like that. I don't really need this. Even though Jupiter's my first build, I pretty much have enough experience with computers and building computers, like and messing around with them, that I don't need that. Because I'm pretty sure like you'd only need that if you were building for the first time. Maybe not even that. So I'm not really gonna take the power supply out yet. But yeah, it also looks like it comes with 4 screws. It seems, yeah, 4 screws for the case. So I'm just gonna put those back in there. Throw my instruction manual back in. And the next time we will look at this is when I actually do take it out of the box, so I can build Jupiter, well, rebuild Jupiter, I should say. Anyway, this is a downgrade from my current power supply, because my current one is about 1,000 watts. And really, for my system that I have, which has like a Ryzen 3 1200, I'm going to be upgrading to 16 gigs of RAM. She's got an RX 570, 4 gig. I really don't need 1,000 watts to power my system. I only need like about 500, but I decided to go with 600 just so if I wanted to upgrade anything in the future, then I'd have more than enough power to do so. Anyway, yeah, so that is it for this video, and I will see you guys when my case comes in, which will be the next part. According to Amazon, it should be here by the 11th of May, I believe. Hold on a sec. Let's see here. I believe, I'm not really sure. Yeah, okay. Arriving Monday, which will be May 11th. Then down here, I have my case fans, I have my new RAM, and my LED strip for, well, 2 LED strips for in the case. And yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll have my tripod by then, and hopefully my parts will all be in by then. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. So peace out.